Hey guys, so we are making $5,000 in this trade. And for if you're watching this video for the first time, like, subscribe, and share this video to as many as you can. Now, this is actually an account management. For those of you guys that don't know what is account management, now listening very carefully, so I'll explain to you guys briefly, shortly. Alright, so account management is actually when someone actually bring account your personal account for a professional like me to trade and make massive profit for you. Alright, so this is actually an account management, and I recommend you should do this every time. For those of you guys that anytime you go into trading, you always mess up, you always blow your account into dust, you always find it difficult to actually raise your big equity into massive profit. Now, I recommend account management. I'll be dropping my links on my comment section and on my description. Join us in our free Telegram channel and learn more about forex trading, or be in a position to let me manage your account and make massive profit. Have you ever um been at work or been at home, let somebody else manage your account and make massive profit? For example, you found $5,000 and you know yourself, you know exactly what is going to happen to you if you should trade that account by yourself. You know you're going to actually blow the account into dogs, but you insisted and you still blow it into dust. Why taking that kind of risk when you can actually punch it to my DM from my group and actually participate in account management? Come to my DM and tell me how much equity you are with, and I will tell you how much profit we are going to be earning every blessed day. All right. So if you are interested, what are you waiting for? Rush to my comment section right now and click the link that I dropped on my comment section. It will direct you to Telegram channel where you will join a free Telegram channel. There I will be sharing free signal for those of you guys that enjoy trading free signals and stuff. That will be a perfect group for you. And for those of you guys that really like learning much about forex trading, that will be a good group for you also. So what are you waiting for? Join us and start making massive money today. And for those of you guys that we talked about account management, well, don't forget to actually be the first to actually join this group. Now let me show you guys how I made this massive profit in this particular trade. Already you can see pardon the way I split uh this particular trend, and also a lot of you guys will understand. Let me widen it so that you can be able to understand me more perfectly. Now the reason why I took in this particular trade in 1 minute time frame, let's go over to 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, you see how massively this market is still going to go. If we could actually leave it for a very long time, this market is going to sell all the way from here, then to here. It become risk. All right, either we close from here or we allow it to come down to this particular point, but this is actually a risk. So when it gets to here, we monitor the market fully to know what movement the market is going to do or perform exactly here. All right, so this is actually a rejection. If you go over to 1 hour time frame, you see it perfectly. This is a rejection. you'll not see it here, but I analyze the market before going into market. So I saw the trade over here. I saw what the trade is actually going to bring out. So I decided to take it. All right. For those of you guys that want to learn more about forex trading, I won't be teaching you everything you need to know here in this particular video. But if you want to have a chance to actually learn and participate in forex trading, now is your chance to actually join our real world trading, a free Telegram channel where you will be able to learn and participate. And while learning, you can be able to make massive money instead of losing, risking your account in trading yourself. All right. So I offer this and also offer VIP Telegram channel. That is actually a Telegram channel where you will be 100% educated in forex trading, learning of it. But first of all, you have to go through free Telegram channel in order to understand how VIP Telegram channel works. All right. So if you're not actually doing anything, or if you watch this video to this particular point, that means you are 100% interested. So what are you waiting for? Punch into the comment section, click on the link, and go to my Telegram channel, join us, and start making massive like the others are doing right now. Right? Don't be left alone. The holiday is actually on the corner. Now is the time you need to make massive profit, massive income out of any opportunity. Now I'm going to be giving you a lot of opportunity in my free Telegram channel, such as group funding and other opportunities. All right. So if you want to participate, well, go into my Telegram channel and start a chance to actually win and make massive profit in the market. All right. So don't trade by yourself and risk it all. Instead of you losing all the money that you know eventually you're still going to lose, why not bring it to a professional like me? Let me make massive profit for you. All right. So if you watch this video to this particular point, you know you need to like, subscribe, and follow this particular channel, this particular YouTube channel. All right. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that you can be able to get our notification anytime we post. And don't forget to share to as many as you can, as many friends, family, people you know that are actually interested in forex trading. Share to them, share to all your friends, and see how profitable we become together, and we'll make it massively. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video. Peace up.